Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a product review on the Shine Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. For the very first time, I am on the search for the perfect edge control, okay? That's going to be the name of this video, okay? So yeah, I'm back at it again. Y'all seem to like this video right here. I was shocked that so many people cared about this video. Like y'all, it was a lot. It's a lot and still counting. People are still watching it. Thank y'all, I appreciate it. This says it's with honey extract. It's for, also good for natural hair. #1 choice for braiders, which I see a lot on YouTube. The smell is kind of, I smell a very low, like synthetic honey extract in it, but this is what it looks like. And see how it shakes? It's definitely like a jelly gel, like a, jam, like it says. And this expires in 1 year. A lot of naturals try Shine Jam. I have 4B hair and I think sometimes 4C. I don't know. My hair switched after I shaved it. It just changed textures for some reason, but it's still predominantly 4B hair. Anyway, I'm looking for the perfect edge control because, you know, I suck at baby hairs, and when I get the baby hairs right that one time, I want it to stay. So I want to see if it's gonna get my hair to stay in place. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do this today. Brush all my hair back. You know how some people do baby hairs and they end up getting just hair. It's no longer baby hairs. They just go back and just get hairs from their head. And I'm like, that's no longer baby hairs, honey. That's you moving around hair. So I'm gonna get the baby hairs and just get a little bit right here. Ooh. Surprisingly, it's not sticky, but it does feel like a lightweight pomade. So I'm gonna just brush this up here. I don't know if I need a little bit or not, but testing it out. Ooh, okay, cool. See how it lays it out? Bring it closer. Lays it out pretty okay. I'm gonna use my other brush. I know I need a, what? Oh my God. Looks like it's staying. Yeah, I think I like this. Here it goes. Brush all of that up. Oh my goodness. It also gets that little kinky part right here. You know, the little patch of kinky hair right here. If y'all get what I'm saying. Oh my word. And I didn't have to use like a ton. Is it seriously turning around like that? Okay, I would also like to test this out and see how long it would last. As far as the top, it's not going to do much for the hair on the top. And I have breakage right there, but it's doing just fine. So, oh my word. Look at that. Child, oh my God. Like, yeah, the baby hairs ain't the best, but let me tell you about this, okay? Last time I said something good about this, it was the less jam, and that was good, but it didn't last long. So it was good. This is actually staying. It didn't curl up yet. And even though I didn't do my baby hairs really, really good, it's still in place. It's not bulking up or anything. It's not curling. You see the little kinky part right here? It's still in place. Like, it's like, you know how a perm is when you have a perm in your hair and you slick it and it stays like that because it's permanently straight? That's what this does. And I think I might have found it. I'm not sure yet. It's not out of the woods yet because I want to know how long it's gonna last. So far, it's doing fantastic. Like, I just don't want to speak too soon. This is the bee's knees. I see why y'all use this so much for your braids, your box braids, your twists, all your styles. This stuff is good. This is my first time ever using Shine Jam in my entire life. I'm not really a gel person, but this has like a low texture of a pomade. I think I paid like $3 for this from Walmart. I will link this down in the description box below. I give this a 10 out of 10. I think it is perfect, especially for beginners. Beginners that are not used to using gel or anything like that. This is not like a water-based gel. It's a thick jam, like it says, Shine Jam. Child, I really like this, and it has honey in it, so you don't have to worry about your hair drying out or anything. The strength of it is a number 6. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. It's a number 6. Now, like I said, it's not out of the woods yet. I want to see if it will get crusty because some Shine gels will dry and get like crusty. I hope this doesn't be like that, but I'll let you know as I'm talking, as I'm editing this video. I will write somewhere right here if it ended up being crusty or not, but I really don't think it will be because it's not like wet, you know what I'm saying? Like you know, it feels like you have a little bit of product on your hair, like you know you have product on your hair, but it's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel wet, but you can tell that it's product on here because I feel like a little breeze, you know, like a little breeze between my scalp. You know, I don't know if this has a cooling agent or what, but it feels a little breezy. What could be in here? Yeah, it's not a whole lot of like healthy ingredients in this, so I don't know if you might want to use this like on a daily thing or everything. I think it's cool that you use this like every now and then because this does have like a lot of scientific names to it. It does have mineral oil. It does have water. That's the first ingredient is water. The second one is glycerin. And I think glycerin is a moisturizing agent, so you might be good on that. And it also has honey, and it also has some colors, yellow and red, and some other stuff. But I think it's alcohol. I don't know, but it would be weird to have alcohol and then a moisturizing agent. So I don't know. It just has a whole bunch of stuff in there, scientific names. It's best that you read the ingredients and even look them up if you want to. But me, I just wanted to find something for my edges. Child, it is still here. It didn't bulk up yet. I'll let y'all know. I will let y'all know how this is because, child. Anyway, this was fun. Actually, this was really fun. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. My name is Shaleitra. I will link this down in the description box below. Check it out if you want to. I really freaking like this. I think this is awesome, and I'm so glad this expires in a whole year. And for like $3, you get a ton, okay? You see all of that? You see all of this? You get a ton. And it's just for your baby hairs. Now, if you're doing like braids and stuff, then you might run out a little bit, but this is super spreadable too, so you might not need a whole lot, you know? But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing to my channel. And yeah, until y'all see me again, bye. Okay, now it's buckling up a little bit. Yes, it's buckling up a little bit. So yeah, you might have to add a little extra. Yeah, I know I said bye, but I'm letting y'all know it's just started buckling up. So I'm gonna give this a 9 out of half. You might have to use extra, okay? All right, bye.